reason nobody gets hurt.
Well, from now on.
You want to do the honors of killing him, Ma?
Blink and I start shooting.
Give me that gun.
Oh my God! I'm not falling for that one, sister.
Pull out the bomb, Drebin. If you don't, I'll shoot the dame.
This is getting a little complicated, Rocco. Let's look at this logically. You're the psychotic. You should have the envelope. I should have the gun.
Frank?
I know what I'm doing.
All right. Here's your best picture in front of a whole worldwide audience. This place is going up.
Well, if I'm going out happy.
Wait a minute, Rocco. Before we're all blown to bits. Mind if I pull the underwear out of my crack? Man's got to go comfortable.
All right, but that's it.
All right, give it up, Rocco. Your history.
Look, George Hamilton. Come and get me.